Here's why you should consider the Motorola Razr Plus if you're getting a foldable phone. First up, its design. The Razr's design is a much more refined design from its original version, and this is a next generation device. Second, it runs on the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen Plus chipset, which makes it the most powerful Android phone out there. And also it runs with the latest Android version 30. The Razr Plus also has got a major upgrade in terms of its outer and inner display. Outside, you have a much more larger display with applications that are optimized for it. Now you can run various applications and also a full-on keyboard on the outer screen, which is very practical and something that most foldable users have been expecting to see. Second, the inner display is 6.9 inches wide and also has a 165 Hz refresh rate. Now this is much more faster and even very convenient for gaming. Thirdly, it has fast charging and can juice up your phone so much more faster in less time, which is very handy and useful. Lastly, it is spill and splash resistant, which most foldable devices do not come out with. However, this is a phone that you should consider if you are getting a foldable. These are my thoughts. If you like this review, give a thumbs up. See you in the next one.